Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Fire TV. While Roblox isn't directly available in the Amazon App Store, there's a straightforward method to get it running. You'll be sideloading the Android application, which allows you to enjoy millions of experiences on your big screen. For the best gameplay, you'll definitely want to connect a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, making navigation and interaction much smoother. First, let's prepare your Fire TV for the installation. Go to your device settings, then select My Fire TV or Device and Software. Click on about 7 times to unlock developer options. Next, enable apps from unknown sources within the developer menu. Finally, head to the Amazon App Store and install the free downloader application. This tool is crucial for the next step. Now it's time to get the Roblox application itself. Launch the Downloader app and use its browser to search for a reliable source for the Roblox Android Package Kit, or APK. Once you find a trusted download link, select it to begin downloading the file. After the download completes, the Downloader app will guide you through the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to install Roblox. With Roblox installed, you're almost ready to play. First, ensure your Bluetooth keyboard and mouse are connected to your Fire TV for the best control experience. Then, navigate to your Fire TV's applications list, locate the Roblox icon, and open it. You can now log in with your existing Roblox account or easily create a new one. Get ready to explore millions of user-created games right from your couch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.